So quick video here, pretty easy mod to do. If you have the ground effects bumper and you don't have the grills here, some people put in extra fog lights, grills. It's pretty hard to find original ones, but you can go over on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, and they actually sell some brand new ones you can buy here and put on. They look pretty wicked. So they just slide into here, I believe, just like that. Oh, maybe other side. Yep, just like that. And the other one, so it does have the one rounded edge. That'll go on the top right. That just slides into there. Now you're gonna have to go ahead, go to NAPA, get yourself some push-in type rivets. There's the part number, and it's a 10 pack, so you should have everything you need. You'll be able to use these, push them in the holes, and use these to secure them in place. Whoops, it's kind of hard with one hand, so I'll put the camera down and get them installed. And for the bottom ones, you're also going to want to go ahead and just trim a little piece off like that so it can sit up underneath of there. Now to get your trim piece up in the top left here, you have to go ahead, take some side snips and just trim down the edges, and then you'll be able to fit it up there in the corner. And just like that, we've got ourselves some front grills. It doesn't look so open and empty. We're in Quebec, so we don't have to have any front plates here. I still do have the 2 screw holes where the plate normally goes, so we'll see what to do about that later. But right now we're gonna get it cleaned up, throw some spray wax on her, and head over to one of the local meets. Quick and easy mod for you guys. Post link down in the description below.